So hi guys, it's me again with Titanic set 3. I have only 2 things, but they aren't that big, so let me get to them. They're right behind me. First, I have the conference room. Right here, you may not see it, but there's a black chair. You might not see it because there's a black platform under that. So then, and then there's some more chairs. Here is the blue thing. Excuse the background, please. Oh, sorry, that's my sister. Okay, here it's the blue. What's it called? Blueprints of the Titanic. You know, when he would point to stuff, yeah. And then second, I have Captain's cabin. If you can see inside there, there's the captain. But ceiling, I put a ladder right there. There's the back of it. There's some holes at the top because I didn't have enough parts. You could do it! Oh, you already saw that side. Yeah. I'm thinking of sinking it, so I might want to show you it, but maybe later. I have no homework, so I might make some more Lego reviews or sinking.
Oh, don't be yawning in my face.
Please comment on this, like what kind of things I should put, because I have a lot of these. A lot of these new. A lot of these new pieces. Like, this could be a bed. I have 3 of these staircases. Spiderweb, some stalks, a window, ladder, sign, an old thing. Maybe I can make like diner or something like that. Sirens. Some more these things. I got some new minifigures. Like I dug up this guy. A few of these. This guy. These guys, and oh wait, these 2, and this.
Oh yeah, oh no, your feet stink too.
And I also got some of these tarantulas. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna let you go because my sister is being.
What?
My sister is sounding like she's constipated and retarded.
Oh,
so bye.
Constipated.
I'm not constipated yet because I eat a lot of cheese. Bye.